How you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your day. So, I wanted to leave you guys with a very, very valuable video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to earn affiliate commissions and how you can start earning affiliate commissions from the comfort of your home online as soon as today. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right, so let's get into the basics of earning affiliate commissions online from home. Super simple. So everybody knows about Google, the biggest search engine in the world. If you go to Google and you search Amazon, if you click on Amazon, Amazon is one of the biggest marketplaces online. I believe they have a revenue of like 33% or like almost 40% of the internet sales go through Amazon. Almost 40% of all the internet. So if you go to Amazon.com, get rid of that right there. If you go to Amazon.com, they have a cool little thing called an affiliate. Let me just find that link for you guys. So I believe it might be this one. Let me see if this is the one that we're looking for. So you get to sponsor products, sponsor brands, and pretty much you get paid for every person that you send to Amazon. And if they buy anything, you make money. It's called their affiliate program. And there's a bunch of companies that do this, guys. Converse, they have an affiliate program. But there's companies all across the internet. Target, affiliate program. Earn up to 8% when people buy. Best Buy, affiliate program. Earn money. Partner with a trusted brand. Joining is free and easy. There are companies in almost any genre you can think of. We're talking about makeup. We're talking about fashion. Hundreds of companies, guys. Google them online. You can literally Google, different affiliate programs or your favorite brand, and then put affiliate program after that in the Google search bar, and see what pops up. There's a whole marketplace of digital products that you can sell. You can join ClickBank right now. You can set up an account, and it's absolutely free to join. Find a product that's already hot, that's already selling, and learn how to advertise. And the two ways of advertising is paid and free. Just products everywhere, guys. Look at this, $35 a sale. And it even has a recurring billing, about $33 per month. $35 a sale and $33 per month, guys. And this is how people are making big money. You sell a handful of these and people keep their subscription monthly. And that's how you can start growing your income to 300, 400, 500, 600, and then to thousands and thousands of dollars per month with a business, a real business. So the only thing you really need to focus on is driving traffic. And there's only two different ways of getting traffic, guys. That's paid and free. Free traffic and paid traffic. And I'm going to go on another video with that, but I want you guys to get the understanding of the basics of you just sending somebody to a website, a link that they give you, and you just promote this on Facebook groups. You promote this on YouTube. You promote this on Instagram. You promote this on Pinterest. You can blog about it. There's so many different ways you can get traffic. You can do paid traffic. And you send people to this link. And when they buy something through this link, you earn a commission. There's people on YouTube making a full-time living from YouTube by doing reviews. You can buy a product. Let's say you do reviews on let's just say we focus only on Target. You go to Target, you buy some stuff, some blenders, and not that you have to keep them. You didn't hear this from me, but you can return them if you like after you do a review on it. So you do a YouTube video on a blender that you bought. Say, hey, I bought this blender. I think it's pretty cool. I like these type of settings. You know, this is what I would use this type of blender for. I recommend you buying it if you're interested in buying one. There's a quick link at the bottom of the description. Click on that link. You can get it shipped to you ASAP. I recommend it. And I think you'd love it. There's people that search stuff on YouTube and reviews all day. This is how you guys can create a business. You can blog about it. You can write articles about it. You can post in free Facebook groups. Man, there's so many ways you can make money from online, guys. I just wanted to leave you guys with this information on the basics of earning affiliate commissions from the comfort of your home. It's really that simple. You just find a product that's hot, that people want. You can even do paid advertising on Google. People search for stuff all day. All you gotta do is just put in exactly what they're searching for and then have an ad that pops up. And when they click on your ad, they buy. That's simple, guys. So, hey, I want to leave you guys with some information. I hope this was valuable on the basics of earning money from home through affiliate commissions. Guys, it can be super simple. All you would have to worry about is just sending eyeballs, sending people that are interested in what you have to offer. And that's how you can make a full-time income from home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video if you like. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thank you.
Gotta get that cream.